Hi, welcome to Welcome to Charlie's How-To for Homeowners. My name is Brent. I'm with Stevenson Plumbing, Heating and Air, and today we're going to be going over unjamming a garbage disposal as well as the overload protection switch, which is basically the reset switch at the bottom of the garbage disposal. Alright, so we're over by the garbage disposal. Before we start any work, we're going to want to make sure that the switch is powered off. That's checked. Also, we're going to want to make sure that we unplug the garbage disposal. Now, before we get started with getting under the garbage disposal and trying to unjam any blades, we want to look into the garbage disposal and make sure that there's no foreign objects in there, possibly a utensil or something that the kid could have dropped. So once we verify, nope, no race cars in there, no Hot Wheels. Once we verify that, we're going to go ahead and take you under the garbage disposal, and I'll show you how to free up the blades. So here we are under the sink right here. Now what we have here is a Badger 5 half horsepower garbage disposal. It's pretty industry standard garbage disposal. You may see some Moen, something else, but this is pretty standard. Now under the garbage disposal, there's going to be a slot for a 1/4 inch hex Allen wrench. Now, you also may get an Allen key with your garbage disposal. I know the Badgers come with them, but I'm not sure about the other brands. This is a 1/4 inch hex key that we're going to use though, and I'll show you where we insert it to unjam the blades. So as you can see, right under here, this little slot fits perfectly and the Allen key fits perfectly in there. Now, with a jammed garbage disposal, a lot of the times when you stick it in there and try to whirl it around, it's not going to want to move. It may get a little bit of a turn that way, a little bit of a turn that way. So what you want to do is kind of work it back and forth. This is directly on the same shaft as the blades, so you are helping the blades get freed right now by doing this. Once you're able to go ahead and get it, I would say all the way around, then plug in the garbage disposal, and it should be unjammed. Now, when you have a jammed garbage disposal, a lot of the times you're going to hear a buzzing noise, you're going to hear maybe possibly a grinding noise, or you're just going to hear some humming. You're definitely not going to hear the blades moving if it's jammed up. Now we're going to focus on the overload protection switch. Now on these Badger 5s, it's a red, little red button on the bottom of the Badger 5, on the bottom of the garbage disposal. Now a lot of the times all you got to do is just hit that button, and that will be the reset switch to this garbage disposal. Well, thank you guys for tuning in to this episode of How-To Charlie. Well, you guys, thank you for tuning in to this episode of How-To for... Alright, cool. Oh, I'm going to go full YouTuber on this one.
Full YouTuber.
Okay. Alright. Well, you guys, thank you so much for tuning into this episode of Charlie's How-To for Homeowners. If you guys have any questions about what we did today, drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.